Okay, welcome to my channel. We're gonna sing a song and make a juice challenge. In the Barbie world, like a Netflix, in a Netflix, now let's begin with the juice challenge. And I'm gonna taste. Let's take this one. This blue one. Tastes like apple. It is apple. I'm just going to apple. This is so beautiful. Now let's pour this in the cup. It tastes pretty good. Now let's pour the juice in the cup. Because it's done. Now let's do this one. Tastes more like peach. It's peach. Now let's put it in the cup. Now let's taste this one. Banana. What? Orange. Now let's put it in the cup. Now let's take this one. Apple juice. No, I don't think this. Kiwi? No, I don't think it's kiwi. What? Grape juice? No. It's also more like watermelon. This is watermelon juice. Now that is the last one. It tastes like kiwi. Let's see if it's kiwi. It's all of this gooey is. You found it! Happy birthday to Mia! Happy birthday to Mia! Happy birthday to Mia! Happy birthday to you! Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a cake. Welcome to my channel. And we got this company, red and green and blue and pink. And we got oil and flour and eggs and milk and chocolate sauce and sprinkles and Smarties. Now let's start to make the cake. Now I'm going to put flour in my bowl, all of it, by taking scoops. One scoop. 2 scoop. And you don't have to use a scoop. Watch this. You can just eat it. Now you need oil. Put the oil. You have to mix it like that. And you just scoop one little oil in there, and then put the spoon on that. Pour the oil in the oil, and then you have to mix. Mixing. And maybe now let's put more oil in the other half. And mix it again with the oil. And now we must pour all of the milk. First we must make it flat. And we'll use this one again. And now we pour the milk in the bowl. And now we must mix. It's almost like dough. Now, we're almost going to add the eggs. And now we must mix the eggs like that. Let's mix the eggs. Just like this. I'll see you guys in a minute. It's all ready. And I'm going to pop it in the oven. Hello guys. We are done cooking the cake. Now we're going to put the sprinkles. Now we're going to put the sprinkles. 1,000 chocolate sprinkles and 1,000 of these. And icing. And these are done. That's good. And now let's put the icing. Let's have to take a little bit. Put it around. You can just pour it. The icing is good. Let's keep on putting the icing on around like this. Keep on putting it. Like that. Just a little bit more so it can be all pink. Just keep on putting it until it's full pink. Like this. Now we're done with the pink one. Now we're gonna add the sprinkles. Some of these. And now we're adding the next layer. And then see, one layer is done. Now let's put the other one. Now we have to put one. Okay, now we're done. Just have to spread it. Keep on spreading until it covers the inside. Keep on spreading. Okay, that's enough. Put the back. Let's keep this one. And now we're gonna add like all of these. Look, let's add a little bit more of these. Like this. Let's add all of these. Then let us add a little bit more of this. The cake is, but we just have to add a little more. Because all of the, we have to cover all of this. Now, we can do this. These extra stays are pretty good. Like this. The cake is done! Happy birthday to Mia. Happy birthday to Mia. Happy birthday to Mia. Happy birthday to you.